going to learn Standard 9 Unit 2 Dental Health. Friends, it's a very interesting lesson as well as it is very important lesson because in this lesson we are going to learn about our teeth. We will also learn about the types of teeth, some disease of the teeth also. So let's start the lesson. Before we start lesson, let's have information about our teeth. You can see a denture. We have two jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. Here in the lower jaw, first four teeth are called incisors. These are incisors. They are sharp teeth. They are used in cutting food and fruits. We have four incisors in the upper jaw also. In this way, we have total 8 incisors. Now, next to the incisors, we have canine. 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw also. Total we have 4 canines. They are also sharp and pointed teeth. They are used in cutting as well as tearing food. Next to them, we have premolars. We have 2 premolars on the left side as well as on the right side. There are 4 premolars in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. So total we have 8 premolars. They are sharp as well as flat in shape. So they are used to break the food or crush the food. Crush એટલે કે ફૂડને તોડવા માટે કંઈ પણ નટ્સ કે એવું આપણે ખાતા તો એને બ્રેક કરવા માટે આપણે પ્રીમોલારનો યુઝ કરીએ છીએ. Then next to them we have molars on both sides. We have 3 molars on right side and 3 molars on the left side. In this way we have also molars in the upper jaw. So we have total 12 molars. Molar are flat in shape and they are used to grind and chew food. So friends, we have learned about types of food. Let me revise it. Incisors, we have 8 incisors. They are in upper and lower jaw. What is the use? They are used for biting and cutting food. Then we have 4 canines. The function of canine is tearing and ripping food. We have 8 premolars. The function of premolar is holding, chewing as well as grinding food. And we have 12 molars. The function of molar is, I read it first and then explain. Sonia has severe toothache. Sonia ne severe એટલે કે ખૂબ તીવ્ર, toothache means દાંતનો દુખાવો હતો. She could not eat anything nor she could go to school. Because of toothache, Sonia could not eat anything and she could not go to school. Studying at home was also impossible due to the pain and she was not able to sleep also. Here, studying at home was also impossible. Impossible એટલે કે અશક્ય. ઘરે અભ્યાસ કરવો પણ સોનિયા માટે અશક્ય હતો. due to pain. Due to means because of પીડાના કારણે. She was not able to sleep also. She had pain, that's why she cannot sleep. So we can say that due to pain, Sonia could not eat anything, she could not go to school, she could not study at home as well as sleep. Sonia says, "Oh ma, it's unbearable. We must visit a dentist," said her uncle Ashokbhai. Sonia speak with difficulty. It's unbearable. The pain is unbearable. Unbearable means asahya. So Ashokbhai is Sonia's uncle. He suggested her to visit a dentist. Dentist means a doctor who do treatment of teeth. દાંતનો ઇલાજ કરનાર ડૉક્ટર એને ડેન્ટિસ્ટ કહેવાય છે. The same evening they were at the dental care clinic of Dr. Sharma. એ જ સેમ ઇવનિંગે તેઓ ક્યાં પહોંચી જાય છે? ડૉક્ટર શર્માના ક્લિનિકમાં. ડૉક્ટર શર્મા ઇઝ અ dentist. Dr. Bansi Sharma is young and competent doctor. Dr. Sharma says, "Hello young lady, what's the matter with you?" How is Dr. Sharma? Dr. Sharma is young as well as competent doctor. Competent means સક્ષમ, એક કાર્યક્ષમ ડૉક્ટર છે. So Dr. Sharma asked to Sonia, he greet Sonia as a young lady and asked, "What's the matter with you?" means કે તને શું થયું છે? Sonia had pain, so she spoke with difficulty. "Oh ma, doctor, I have a terrible toothache." સોનિયા કહે છે કે મને ટેરિબલ ટૂથેક છે. ટેરિબલ મીન્સ વેરી ડેન્જરસ, ભયાનક, ખૂબ જ પીડા, દાંતની પીડા થાય છે. ડૉક્ટર શર્મા says, "I can see. Let me check it. Sit in the chair, please." Now Dr. Sharma start checking and told Sonia to sit in the chair. You can see here, this is a dental chair. It is not common chair. They are used for treatment. Now Sonia sit in the dental chair. The doctor switch on the headlight. Dental chair માં ઉપર headlight છે, તેને તપાસ કરવા માટે ડૉક્ટર ચાલુ કરે છે. Dr. Sharma says, "Now open your mouth and say ah." Dr. Sharma told Sonia to open her mouth and say ah, અને ah એવી બૂમ પાડવા જણાવે છે. Sonia opening her mouth a little bit slowly. "Ah, sorry doctor, I can't open my mouth any wider than this." Sonia open her mouth little bit. Little bit means થોડું મોં ખોલી અને કહે છે કે સોરી ડૉક્ટર, I can't open my mouth. હું મોં વધારે ખોલી શકું તેમ નથી. Dr. Sharma says, "That's okay." Now moving the mouth mirror and the probe in Sonia's mouth, she said, I see a black spot on one of your premolars. There seems to be a cavity there. Dr. Sharma કહે છે, "Okay, now moving the mouth mirror." She use mouth mirror. You can see in her left hand there is a mirror. And probe એટલે એક ચીપિયું, અને અહીંયા લેફ્ટ હેન્ડમાં તમે જોઈ શકો છો કે એક મિરર છે, કાચ છે, અને તેનો યુઝ કરી અને ડૉક્ટર શર્મા સોનિયાના માઉથને ચેક કરે છે. And At that time, she says, I can see a black spot. ડૉક્ટર બંસી શર્માને એક બ્લેક સ્પોટ એટલે એક ડાઘ, કાળો ડાઘ દેખાય છે. ક્યાં છે? ઓન વન ઓફ ધ પ્રી મોલાર ઉપર એક બ્લેક સ્પોટ દેખાયો. એન્ડ ડ્યુ ટુ ધીસ રીઝન doctor says that there seems to be a cavity there. Cavity means a hollow in teeth. દાંતની અંદર દાંત સડી જાય એટલે પોલાણ પડી જાય, દાંત પોલો થઈ જાય ત્યારે કેવિટી કહે છે. એટલે કહે છે કે આ બ્લેક સ્પોટ એ કેવિટીનો હોય તેવું લાગે છે. સો અશોકભાઈ સ્ટાર્ટલ અ કેવિટી? Dr. Sharma says, yes, a cavity and quite big one. After hearing a cavity, Ashokbhai startled means surprised. આશ્ચર્યચકિત થતા કહે છે કે આ કેવિટી, શું કેવિટી થઈ છે? ડૉક્ટર શર્મા says, yes, a cavity. હા કેવિટી છે અને quite a big one, ખૂબ મોટી કેવિટી છે. I am prescribing some medicine today. The pain will subside by tomorrow. Only then the further treatment is possible. Dr. Sharma told Ashokbhai that she is prescribing some medicine. Here prescribe means give advice to take medicine. કોઈ પણ ડૉક્ટર પાસે આપણે જઈએ છીએ તો આપણને દવા લખી આપે છે કાગળમાં. તો એ જે કાગળ છે એની અંદર લખેલી દવા આપણને લેવાની સલાહ આપે છે. એટલે આવું જે દવા લખી આપે, દવા લેવાની જે સલાહ આપવામાં આવે એને શું કહેવાય? પ્રિસ્ક્રિપ્શન. તો અહીંયા ડૉક્ટર બંસી શર્મા પણ કેટલીક મેડિસિન પ્રિસ્ક્રાઇબ કરે છે અને કહે છે કે આ દવા લેવાથી ધ પેઇન વિલ સબસાઇડ બાય ટુમોરો. સબસાઇડ મીન્સ ડિક્રીઝ, ઓછું થઈ જશે. જે પેઇન અત્યારે છે એ સબસાઇડ એટલે કે થોડું ઓછું થઈ જશે. અને આફ્ટર ધેટ વી વિલ ડુ ફર્ધર ટ્રીટમેન્ટ. ફર્ધર મીન્સ આગળની જે ટ્રીટમેન્ટ છે એ દવા લીધા પછી કરીશું. ડૉક્ટર બંસી શર્મા asked, can you come back tomorrow? So Ashokbhai replied, I will be out of station tomorrow. ડૉક્ટર બંસી શર્મા પૂછે છે કે તમે આવતીકાલે આવી શકો છો? પરંતુ અશોકભાઈ હેડ અ પ્રોબ્લમ. વોટ ઇઝ ધ પ્રોબ્લમ? He said that I will be out of station tomorrow. Out of station means કે ક્યાંક બહાર જવાના છે. So Dr. Sharma says, well, Sonia can come alone. She is a brave girl. Sonia says, yes, doctor, I will have to. Dr. Sharma કહે છે કે well, okay, you can go out of station and Sonia can come alone. Alone એટલે કે એકલા. સોનિયા એકલી પણ આવી શકે તેમ છે because she is a brave girl. Brave means what? બહાદુર. The opposite of brave is timid, ડરપોક. Sonia is a brave girl, so she can come alone. Sonia also agree with the doctor and said, yes, doctor, I will have to. Means she will come tomorrow. Thank you, friends. At the end of the lesson, the first part, we have some key points of the lesson to remember. So what we have learned in this lesson? We have learned that Sonia had a severe toothache, and due to the toothache she could not eat or go to school, study and sleep due to the terrible pain. Now Ashokbhai is Sonia's uncle, and he suggested Sonia to go to the doctor, to visit the doctor, and they went to Dr. Bansi Sharma's clinic. Dr. Bansi Sharma is a dentist and he is a clever, competent means clever doctor. Here Dr. Bansi Sharma checked Sonia's teeth and she came to know that there was a cavity in Sonia's premolar. Okay, friends, thank you. Bye.